Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever missed out on buying Bitcoin at $1, Ethereum under $10, or even Dogecoin before it blew up, trust me, you don't want to miss what I'm about to show you today. This new crypto project could be the biggest opportunity of 2025, and it's already making serious noise in the market. Imagine turning a small investment, $500, $1,000, maybe even $5,000, into something that could 10x, 50x, or even 100x in the next few years. Sounds crazy? It's not. Today I'm talking about BlockDAG, BDAG, a revolutionary crypto project that's not just hype. It's backed by real innovation, real utility, and a growing army of early investors who already believe it could be the next big thing. So what exactly is BlockDAG? It's not just another coin. This is a next-generation Layer 1 blockchain that's built on a BlockDAG, directed acyclic graph architecture. That means it's faster than Bitcoin, cheaper than Ethereum, and scalable to millions of transactions per second. BlockDAG is designed for the future. It doesn't have the bottlenecks that slow down traditional blockchains. This is the kind of infrastructure that Web3, AI, gaming, DeFi, and metaverse projects need to actually function in real time. In short, BDAG isn't just a coin, it's a movement. Right now, BlockDAG is in its final pre-sale rounds. And let me tell you, this is where the smart money is moving. Every few days, the price of BDAG increases. If you bought it during round one, your profits are already insane. But even now, you're still early, very early. Once the pre-sale ends, the price will list on exchanges at a much higher rate. And by then, most of the early gains will be gone. Don't say later that I didn't warn you. Even putting in $200, $500, or $1,000 now could be something you thank yourself for later. BlockDAG is not just theory. They've launched the X1 mining app. And guess what? You can actually start mining BDAG from your phone. But there's a condition. I'll get to that in a moment. They've got working prototypes of mining hardware. They're collaborating with real businesses. And they're already making headlines in tech conferences and crypto news outlets. We're talking about a team that's not sleeping. They're shipping product after product. And those are the kinds of projects that make millionaires, not the ones that stay stuck in development for years. Here's the real kicker. If you own at least 7,500 BDAG tokens, excluding bonuses and referrals, you can mine from your phone using the X1 app. Yes, real mining. No GPUs, no fancy equipment, no electricity bills. And after the pre-sale ends, you'll be able to claim and withdraw all your mined BDAG directly. This is passive income done right. You hold the tokens, you mine more, and you earn even while you sleep. But if you don't have those 7,500 tokens, you can't mine. Simple. Don't miss this opportunity just because you waited too long. Get your 7,500 BDAG and start mining right now. Link is in the description below. Let me break it down. Crypto follows cycles. Early investors make the most money, and the latecomers are left saying, I wish I had bought earlier. BlockDAG is still in its pre-sale stage. This is the time when millionaires are made quietly. You don't need to dump your life savings into this. I'm not telling you to go all in, but at least put in something, $500, $1,000, maybe $2,000 if you can afford it. Because once this launches on exchanges, prices won't look like this anymore. FOMO is real, but you can beat it by acting now. I'm investing in BDAG myself, and I genuinely believe it could be one of the best performing cryptos of the next cycle. Here's what you need to do right now. Click the first link in the description, register and buy BDAG before the pre-sale ends. Get at least 7,500 BDAG tokens, start mining from your phone using the X1 app, and be ready to claim once the pre-sale ends. Don't wait till next year when people are flexing their gains and you're sitting there wondering why you didn't invest just a little bit. You've seen the success stories. Now it's time to create your own. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you found value and make sure you subscribe because I'll be covering the launch, mining updates, and price analysis every step of the way. Again, the link is right below. Invest even a small amount, and I promise you, you won't want to cry later. This is your shot. Take it.